Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this authentic Ghanaian local garden egg stew and cocoyam and yam and pesi recipe with you all. So without wasting my time, let's dive right into it. So here I have my cocoyam. I have been storing this for about a month now and it's almost going bad, so I needed to do justice to it. For the rest of the ingredients, I'm going to be using turkey berries, pepper, garden eggs. I'm also going to be using fresh tomatoes, eggs, salted fish, that is Kobe, momoni, palm oil, mackerel in tomato sauce, onions, and also some roasted peanuts. So now without wasting my time, let's start cooking. So to a pot, I'll go in with my vegetables, which is the garden eggs, turkey berries, and also the pepper. I'll add some water to it, cover it, and allow it to cook until this veggies becomes very soft for us to grind. While the vegetables are cooking, let's start by peeling our cocoyam. So this is how we do it in a local home. We start by peeling off the skin from the cocoyam just the way you see it on the screens right now, and also we're going to remove any faulty part or any part that is going bad from the cocoyam because it is not enjoyable at all, right? So now let's peel everything and set it aside. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. If you haven't still subscribed to this channel as well, baby, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. So whilst we are done peeling the cocoyam, I'll start by washing it very nicely. Remember to wash this for about 2 to 3 times to get a perfect and clean cocoyam. Alright, afterwards I will transfer it into my cooking pot, and I'll also be enjoying this cocoyam alongside with some yam. You can also enjoy it with plantain as well if that is what you prefer. I'll add some water to it. Be sure to go in with enough water to cook it. Alright, don't forget as well to go in with some salt, cover it and allow it to cook. And since I'm also going to be using Kobe and eggs, I'll add everything to it and allow it to cook alongside with it. Not forgetting my almighty Kako as well. So since you're going to add in the Kobe and the Kako to the yam and cocoyam to cook alongside with it, remember not to go in with too much salt. Alright, so now let's cover it and allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. And at this point our veggies is also nice and soft, so I'll set it aside as well and allow it to cook. Moving forward, I will start by grinding my onions. So to my asanka, I'll go in with some chopped onions, allow it to grind very well. Someone may ask if I can use blender to do this. Typically, if you really want to enjoy your ampesi very well, or you want to have that local taste, then grinding your vegetables in asanka is the best option ever. Right? You can also use the blender if you don't have this. So now after blending or grinding the onions, I went in with some roasted peanuts and also my roasted momoni to give the sauce extra taste. You can as well omit the momoni or peanut if you don't want it, but for the peanuts as well, you can also go in with the peanut butter if you don't have the roasted peanut. Alright, so afterwards I'll go in with my veggies and I'll be grinding until I get the consistency that I want. I don't want mine to be very smooth as if I'm making soup. So now let's grind until I achieve the perfect consistency that I want, just the way you see it on your screens right now. After getting the perfect consistency, I will set it aside and check on my PC, which is also on fire and is doing all good and very soft now. So after it's ready, I'll remove the eggs and set it aside. I'll place the eggs in cold water to allow easy removal of the skin, and also I will remove my salted fish, which is the TOOGBEI, and also the Kako as well. Afterwards, I will strain the water from the yam and the cocoyam and set it aside. Remember not to allow your PC to cool down before you enjoy it. All right. All right, so to a different pot, I'll go in with my palm oil, and this palm oil I extracted it from one of my palm nut soup, so it's already tasty already. So allow it to fry a little bit, and afterwards I'll go in with my chopped onions, my fresh tomatoes as well, and I'll give it a gentle stir. Allow it to fry for about 5 minutes for the tomatoes to loosen up a little bit. Alright, so after extra 5 minutes, I'll give it a gentle stir, and at this point I'll also go in with my mackerel in tomato sauce. You can as well use any protein of your choice. I'll also go in with a little bit of salty taste. I'll stir very well and allow it to fry for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, afterwards it should be ready, and as you can see, it's looking all good and very delicious. So it's ready, so I'll set it aside, and I will be pouring everything on my grinded vegetables. But I realized the oil was too much, so I was going in with the oil little by little because I don't really love too much palm oil on my stew. All right, so now we are done. So now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. Kindly let me know in the comment section what you think about this PC and garden egg stew. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, and you are definitely going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoy to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.